On a warm Mother's Day afternoon, Lucille sat on her bright front porch, the sun casting a golden glow over her fruitful yard. In her hands was a bowl of vanilla rum ice cream, the sweet treat melting slowly as she savored each taste. Smiling with her were her 4 children, Moy, Apple, Bubbles, and Giffy, each radiating their unique personality like the vibrant life of the busy, bustling town that she buys their food to cook soup on Saturdays. Moy, the artist, adorned her hair with butterfly clips. Apple, the dreamer, shared tales of far-off lands and richness. Bubbles, the youngest, giggled at the silliest jokes, her eyes content and happy. Giffy, the brave protector, helped his sisters with their ice cream, ensuring no one spilled a drop. They chatted and laughed, filling the air with a warm, joyful melody. Suddenly, in unison, they turned to Lucille, their voices bright with love. "We love you, Mama!" they exclaimed, their words wrapping around her like a warm hug. Lucille's eyes sparkled with joy, reflecting the pride she has in her house with her happy children. In that moment, day beamed brighter, happier, and rich with sweet smiles, and it was just them, an irreplaceable bond, a tapestry of love woven with laughter and ice cream. She couldn't have felt more fulfilled, her life happy as she whispered back, "I love you all, more than you could ever know." Together, they celebrated not just Mother's Day, but the beautiful time of family life, where every moment is a treasure.